we got it all clear. Coming out from 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Unbelievable. Long as the hood stays on the ground. We're red, driver, red. Red, driver, red, 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 red. Alright, watch your flagman. Hang on, we're going to get this hood out of the way for safety's sake. Watch your flagman, drivers. We're ready again. Red, red. Red, driver. Anytime there's more than one driver door hit, they do get one time. If there's more than one, it has to be a done situation. It has to explain to the driver. A lot faster than that.
Oh, hurry up the hole. Take your time, boys. Take your time, boys. One guy. There's more than one. Take the hole. I got one right there. It's all one. Nice one. Oh, there we go. I was just shutting off.
As again, they got ripped completely out of the sheet metal frame. They tell me it's mounted to the floor. Once they get that loose, we can't let it continue to run. It's a tough break. They try real hard to get it down, but when you got this kind of impact going on, sometimes it just doesn't hold.
I got